Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to have Bistek Tagalog. To start off, we are going to have the marinade, but make sure that you have thoroughly cleaned the fish. You remove the blood, even from the inside parts or the hidden parts of the fish, because that will be adding fishy taste or smell in our dish, and you don't want that to happen. So for some parts, there are thin layers that you need to slice off for you to get those blood out. So once done, you cover your fish and in the fridge they go. And that's your easy and tasty bistek. See you again in my next video. Please give this a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram at Kaka, and please subscribe. Thank you.